Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your shop URL or any other shop URL. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is to visit the shop URL or to visit the shop, and from there you can find the URL. So simply we can go to any product so we can access to any shop. So from here, we will want, for example, to go to this product. So here we have some stickers, and this is the URL of this exact listing. Now we'd like to go to the URL for the shop itself. So we will be needing just to simply go to the shop page, and here we will are searching for the seller contact or the seller information. So from here, if we go down, you will find the Meet Your Seller section. So here in this section, you will see uh, the seller name, and here we will find the shop page or the shop URL. So we click on this shop, and as you can see, this is the shop URL of this seller. And from here, you can find all the products of the page or all the listing and everything. And from here you will be able like to find your URL and stuff. Otherwise, if you are searching for your own URL of your shop, you can, for example, go to the sellers channel, and from here you will find like the name of your shop, and basically you'd find the same thing as for the other stuff or the other uh, that we have found. So you need just to go to your shop, you go to sales channel, and here you will find your URL. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.